I mean, they just say the word, they'll let you up there.
Okay.
Just don't bring none of these, with the drum circle, hippies up there on stage with me, because I ain't doing that jam mess. That jam band, out the window.
Oh, good. The morning after. There was only 2 of us left. 3 if you count myself. The other, he's asleep. Right through the small window of wake your ass up opportunity. Right there. We call him some bitch, but we love him. He is soft to the touch. We move on. Back to here, the remnants. Doodah and Sam I am. Good luck. Setting up. Curly's there setting up. We're pretending that they're setting up. Really, you know, they've got music playing and we're going to pretend there's people on the stage playing it. This is what we do. I think this is the joke. You know, they play this stuff for a while. We think it's a concert, but really it's just, you know, pre-recorded stuff. There's John trying to analyze it right now. So, but beautiful scenery, nonetheless. So, yeah. Right there. See that? See the stage? Stage? Nobody playing? Yeah. We'll zoom back out because there's nobody there. They want us to think there is, but there's not. Why don't you take a good look at yourself and describe what you see? Baby, 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 do you like it? And here are the Nazi concentration camps of the staff members. Last night I almost got my ass kicked by some little Twinkie dude who's obviously some yuppie and wants to beat up on girls. And this is why he wanted to, because he's fucking miserable and neglecting to do what the staff did last year and have a good fucking time. So, just remember, it's all good at the all good. There you sit, and spare like a book on a shelf. I was born, but I didn't. Thank you.